am in a field with sunflowers, and I am at the neighborhood church with Pastor Paul Owen, and this is just an amazing place. What a beautiful garden you all created.
Yeah, it's awesome. We love it. I think we have about 12 acres where people can walk where the sunflowers are, but 3 acres of sunflowers planted.
And then why did you do this? I know it's gorgeous. We see it on the highway here
Yeah.
at the Stafford exit on 205, but why did you guys do this?
Well, it's really our church's response to the pandemic. We are just thinking, how do people have something where they can feel normal, they can have a smile on their faces, where families feel comfortable getting outside and they feel safe. So it was just an idea to really connect people with each other post or even towards the tail end of COVID. Yeah.
But it is a fundraiser too, so tell us just a little bit about that.
Yeah, so we as a church have been doing a ministry for special needs children, and we have a space dedicated on our property where we'd like to put an accessible playground, so for children with all skill levels. And we're raising funds through this Sunflower Festival for that, and people are paying admission to come and buying flowers and making donations and being quite generous.
Oh, that is wonderful. And it is a family-friendly event, and bring your camera. And I know we can walk around, but like we have to see the statistics for a garden show. So how many different varieties do you have here?
Yeah, well, we have 27 varieties of plants. We have some traditional black oil. We have what are called pro cuts, which you would find in a florist, and then we have branching stem flowers, and they're beautiful. Rogue Royale is a deep red flower, almost brown, and that's one of the favorites that people have, and so we really enjoy it. Yeah.
It's just a little different.
Yeah.
Yeah. And I think we're all going to have our favorites, because there's some that are like 10 feet tall, and then there's some really tiny ones. So really there's the whole gamut of sunflowers.
Yeah, the tallest sunflower that we have on property is called Kong, and it's 16 feet tall, and it'll have 30 or 40 blooms on it at full maturity.
Wow, wow. And so tell us how to get here and all that kind of thing.
Yeah, so we're here Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, the first 3 weekends in August, and we're just off of Interstate 205, Exit 3, Stafford Road. You just turn on Stafford Road, head south, and get on Eck Road. That pulls right onto the church property.
Yeah, and you can't miss it. Just look for all these sunflowers, and that make us all smile.
Yeah, it's awesome.
And so we can just go to the website and find out more information?
Yeah, you can go to theneighborhoodchurch.org, and there's information there, or you can search on Facebook the Stafford Road Sunflower Festival, and all the times and information, even people sharing their photos, is happening there.
Well, what a great event, and it has a great cause too. So bring your family and friends and come out this weekend, because it's going to be the best. Thanks so much, Pastor.
Yeah, thanks for swinging by today.